Hi guys, I am Masha from Ukraine and I would like to show you our handmade leather goods. They are 100% handmade from high quality leather. All materials are really high quality. We have bracelets, steampunk watches, card holders and wallets, coin purses and body harnesses. It's a female body harness made from natural leather. You can see closer how well it's done. This is how this harness looks on. You can regulate all the sizes to suit your body. This is how it looks this way, and from the back. It's easy to wear and really comfortable. I like it a lot and I'm sure you will like them too.